the solution to this example. So for the first one, we're going to create our VLOOKUP. So it asks for the lookup value, so we wanted to look up that student number. Where must it go look it up? It must go in this list here. And remember, the first thing that it sees is where it's going to look for that student number, but we must highlight all the items that we might want to bring back. So eventually we want to bring back the total, so I've had to highlight the whole lot. As a rule, this has dollar signs on it. The column index number is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll type a 5 in there. And this is an exact match. We wanted to go find exactly that student and see if they owe us money. It mustn't guess. So an exact match, you put a false here. When I say OK, you'll see we get an NA. And if you look closely, you'll see that's a good sign. What it means is that that person doesn't owe us any money. If I copy it down, you'll see it's then gone and worked out that this person owes us that much. And you can check it over here. The reverse of this now is that we've got a whole bunch of student numbers and these people owe us money, but do we know where to send the bill? So in this case, very similar. We're going to do a VLOOKUP. We're now going to look up that student number. Where must it look it up? It must look it up over here. And in this case, I'm only going to highlight the one column. I'll just put the dollar signs on. Because in this case, all we care about is it there or not. The column we can bring back, we've only given it one column, so the only thing we can do is a 1. And again, we do want to have the false because we want an exact lookup. And when we say OK, all this means is that it's gone here and found the exact same number. So it exists. But when I copy it, you'll discover that this one over here, 100, 168, it's telling us it doesn't exist in this list. So we must be careful and just find out what that relates to.